Ooh, that was a good handle. I'll have to put a 3S in. Oh yeah, smooth. Smooth operator. All right, good morning everyone. So, today I am showing you my finished RLAARLO, which I'm calling the Terminator. I bought the kit, so it was a clear body, and it had no electronics or servo. So I actually ended up purchasing RLAARLO's servo that they actually use with this one because I couldn't find one that would fit. And then I put a censored motor, which is I believe it's 4600 kV, and the Castle Creation, the Sidewinder in here. So as you can see, I kept the green color scheme throughout. This is like a perfect size the truck that I like. It's like a 12th, it feels like a 12th scale. So for my tracks, it's perfect. So I'm just putting I just have a LiPo 2S 2800 milliamp from, actually this is a RLAARLO battery. And but I like it. It turned out pretty nice. I'm using RLAARLO's newer transmitter, and let's get this on the track and see how it drives. All right. The servo's not bad. Quick little guy. This is like perfect. It's not super fast. I don't know what pinion and spur gear ratio, but I like it though. Ooh, that was a good handle. I'll have to put a 3S in. Oh yeah, smooth. Smooth operator. Oh, hey. Oh, this is perfect size. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Ah! I love it. Perfect. I love this thing. This is awesome. Up on the other track it'd be good. I'll bring it up there too. Oh, double slammer. Cool. 2S is good. Let's go see if I can get a 3S in there. See how this works with 3S. See you in a minute. All right, let's check the temperatures. Just curious. cooling down quick. 100, yeah, 112 for the motor. ESC, not too bad. 100. Battery, 80. Not too bad for 2S. Alright, I got one of these Z batteries, 50C 3S. This is what I use in my snowmobiles, RC ones. So we'll see how this works. Oh yeah, power. Oh yeah. So much faster. Oh wow. Let's go over here. Ooh, baby. Oh yeah, this little thing handles it very well, like they said. Pretty quick on 3S. Let's go. Perfect little truck. I love it. Ooh, wheelie. I didn't put the wheelie bar on. Get it to do a wheelie again. That was cool. Oh. Awesome. Okay, go back down. Woohoo! Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I broke it. I broke it. Oh no, hopefully it was just something that pops in. I did hit hard. Yep, it looks like this piece come right out. How did that? And I lost a dog bone. Did I break that? How did that break? And I lost a dog bone. Fantastic. So that just goes in there. Okay, so that'll be an easy fix. But I lost the bone. Hopefully I can find it. Alright, okay. On the search for the dog bone, I got a magnet that I bring fishing in case my keys fall in the water. See if this thing will work. I'm just gonna look and put this down. Might pick up something. Alright. Gotta be here somewhere. Really I should paint those. I don't know why they make them black. I should make them different colors. I don't care about the looks sometimes. Because if you can't use it, what's the point? If the part is missing and it looks good, then you can't use your car. So what's the point? Couldn't have flung out too far. Is that it? That's it. Right here in the dirt. Oh, nope, 90.5 millimeters. Found it. All right, let's go fix it. All right, we're in the shop here. Let's get this wheel off. Shouldn't take too long to fix. easier with the wheel off. Maybe. Oh. Okay. That looks like it bent. Pull this out. Did bend, but it's alright. There. Ugh. Oh. Okay. There. Okay. Screw this in. It's gonna go in. This is two. Okay. That looks good. Okay. Put the shock back on. Woo, wheelie. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice speed. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, I missed. Ooh. That brake. Oh. Be curious what the temperatures are. Oh, this is wicked. You don't need to be big to have fun. This thing is perfect. I love it. Oh, got it. Let's go. Hit the brakes just in time. Oh, too much. Oh. Oh my God. Land up. Oh. There we go. Oh, missed. Oh my God, I do a backflip. I'll have to try that. Here we go, backflip. Nope, perfect. That hit the jump, perfect. Oh, that little servo is pretty powerful for this guy. I like that servo. All right, here we go. Nope, another good jump. Oh my God, the battery flew out. Okay, let's just see, curious. Not too bad. ESC 122. It's not more than the $120. Not too bad. ESC is the highest, so 124 Fahrenheit.